for this 2 KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Can you frame the question? But how to frame the question whenever equation is given? Our question is given how to write the chemical equation. This is a very important concept while doing the problems in mole concept. Suppose I am framing the question, listen how I frame the question. The volume of O2 liberated when 122.5 grams of potassium chlorate heated strongly. Now I want to relate between potassium chlorate and the O2. Then I will frame the question. How I frame question is, I want volume of O2 at STP is required. The volume of O2 at STP when 122.5 grams of potassium chlorate heated strongly. That's why first class we calculate the molecular weights of some compounds. This is the question. Suppose somebody wants to know what is the amount of potassium chlorate. You can frame the one more question only. Calculate the amount of potassium chlorate when 96 grams of O2 is liberated at STP. Likewise, first you can do this problem, then I can go for next one. Achha, now I given one equation. I am asking you to frame the question. Simple, for example, one question framed. The volume of O2 liberated when 122.5 grams of KClO3 heated strongly. Now relation between KClO3 and O2. So देखो, already known equation na 2 KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus 3 O2. In the given equation, we should relate it between potassium chlorate and the O2. Can you tell in a balanced chemical equation what are the number of moles of potassium chlorate and O2? 2 moles of gives 3 moles of O2. Now here moles को weight में convert करो. ये O2 का moles को volume में convert करो. Based on the numerical, how to convert mole into mass or mole into volume or acid molar. So here mole को weight में convert करना. So for your kind of information, 1 mole of potassium chlorate is 122.5. KClO3 weight है, potassium 39 है, chlorine है 35.5 है, oxygen 48 है, nothing but 122.5 grams. मतलब 2 into 122.5 grams of potassium chlorate on strong heating. It liberates 3 moles of O2 at STP. अच्छा, for your kind of information, 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liter. 3 moles of O2 at occupies a volume of 3 into 22.4 liters of O2 at STP. But in the question, they ask that how many grams of potassium chlorate only heated? Only 122.5 grams heated. Only 120. If only 122.5 grams are heated, how much more? That is the question. Volume of O2 liberated at STP is how much? Yes, very good. So 122.5 divided by 2 into 122.5 into 3 into 22.4. अच्छा, ये वाला cancel है. 3 by 2 means 1.5 or 33.6 liters. 33.6 liters. अच्छा, ये आप सीखना जरूरी है. Whenever you have to frame equation, you have to try to frame the question itself, so that mole concept seems to be very easy for you. You try more number of questions. No, do it first. Acha, this is a question. The volume of O2 liberated when 122.5 grams of KClO3 heated strongly. instead of doing the more number of numericals, you try to do the numericals with your own. Then if any question is asked, you can try your own. Learn how to solve the problem instead of doing more number of questions. Please change the question. Now can you frame the question by your own? I'm asking you, previous case में volume of O2 level at CP you have to calculate it. Now this time imagine this much of volume level at STP, then calculate the amount of potassium chlorate. Acha, tell the simplest numericals. I don't tell any number. Like multiples of 22.4, better. 56. 56. 22.4, 56. How it is? So, 5.6. Yes, that's good. But in order to produce only 5.6 liters of O2 at STP. Only moles of KCl. Acha, moles. Chalo. Number of moles of KClO3 should be heated. You have to frame the question by one. He said number of moles, you said weight on. Anyone, somebody said number of molecules. Doesn't matter. If you know the mole, you have to convert on the mole into molecules, mole into weight, mole into volume, mole into number of atoms, anything. Now try to do the problem. So in order to produce only 5.6 liters of O2 STP, number of moles of KCl should be heated. Acha, 1 molar, 2 molar, 1/4 or 1/2. Options also you have to frame your own. Again, equation is same. Again, comparison. You want comparison? So comparison किसका? KClO3 का again O2 का comparison. But यहाँ 2 moles है. Question में भी moles ask करता, no need to change moles. Moles में भी रखो. No need to change moles. But here 1 mole है. Sorry, 3 moles है. अच्छा, ये moles को volume में convert करना, liters में convert करना. So that means 2 moles of KClO3 produce 3 into 22.4 liters of O2 at STP. This is a standard according to this equation. But problem में question asked है, in order to get only 5.6 liters of O2. 5.6 liters of O2 at STP. Calculate number of moles of KCl. 0.33. So 5.6 divided by 3 into 22.4 into 2. Am I right? अच्छा, ये वाला 1 so 4 times. 2 1s so 2 2s. 1/6. Answer is 1/6. हाँ, 0.1. अच्छा, सपोज फ्रैक्शन में दिया 1/6 आंसर करेक्ट है. 0.1 6 36 0.6 0.166 etc. I simply leave it 1/6. The answer is 1/6. अच्छा, anybody knows what is the weight of KCl? Potassium 39, chlorine 35.5, 5, 14, 74.5. अच्छा, now can you frame the question instead of O2, compare with potassium chloride and potassium chloride. You can change the question answers. Acha, whenever you want to change, you want to frame the question, see the multiples, easy calculation के लिए 74.5. अच्छा डबल करो, ऑफ करो, यहाँ ऑफ किया मैंने, कितना डिवाइड बाय 2 किया 37.24. So in order to produce 37.25 grams of KCl, how much weight of KClO3 is heated? Double number करो, half करो, 1/4 करो, 4th multiply करो, but you have to frame the question. So once a few questions are you framed your own, then whatever the question in the textbook, you have to try it. Easily you can do the questions. This is a way of learning mole concept only. But don't, while seeing the question, you have to answer. That is not a correct method. You have to frame the question. Not only this, I will provide some equations for you. You try to frame the questions, relations also, right? Chalo, एक और question frame करो. Noted ना? Can you tell? I will write the question. Anybody can tell. Write the question. Anybody can tell. अच्छा क्वेश्चन आओ, क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करो. अच्छा रिलेशन आपको दिस टाइम मेरे को चाहिए KCl and KClO3 का रिलेशन. One is given, one you have to calculate. Which one you want? KClO3, KCl. You try to frame question. Any question you have to frame it. N number of ways you have to frame the question. Yes. Calculate amount of KClO3 produced. Sorry, amount of KCl produced. Produced when 122.5 multiples ఏదైనా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలంటే 122.5 by 2 రాసుకోండి, ఇంటూ 2 రాసుకోండి, ఇంటూ 2 రాస్తే, ఇంటూ 3 రాస్తే, ఇంటూ 4 రాస్తే, ఇంటూ 4 రాస్తే అంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఈ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాల్యూ తెలిస్తే ఈజీగా ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 490. When 490 grams of potassium chlorate heated strongly. Note करो. अच्छा again 2 KClO3. 2 KClO3. 2 KCl plus O3 O2. Am I right? This time comparison is KClO3 and KCl. अच्छा 2 into direct I am writing 122.5 grams అయితే 2 into 74.5 grams. But क्वेश्चन में पूछा 490 grams. अच्छा 490 grams है. 490 grams heat చేస్తే how much of KCl should be produced? अच्छा 490 by 2 into 122.5 into 2 into 74.5. अच्छा ये 1 times or 2 times है? ऊपर वाला 120 by 4 times मतलब ये टोटल 2 times है. 2 into 2 4 है. अच्छा 4 into 74.5 290 grams. This is answer. Now I will do one thing. I will provide some equation. Today in study hour, in counseling hour, you can frame the question by your own. How many questions you have to frame? I can check tomorrow. Right? I will provide some equations. Right? Not the equation. See, different person can frame different questions. Don't copy one from another. You can frame your own. Just one equation में कितना क्वेश्चन बन गया? And infinite number of question you have to frame your own. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Sodium bicarbonate decomposer gives sodium carbonate and CO2 plus H2. Try to frame the question. Relation between sodium bicarbonate and CO2. Try to frame the question. Relation between sodium bicarbonate and CO2. अच्छा, how much of CO2 volume of liberated? How much amount of sodium bicarbonate decomposed? Okay, this one kind of question. One kind of question is amount of sodium bicarbonate and volume of CO2, or weight of CO2 and weight of NaCO3 also. One question. Second question है, the same equation में second question है. देखो ये गैस है, ये भी गैस है, above 100 degrees में ये भी गैस है, water vapor है, above 100 में. This is nothing but due to loss in weight. These two gas are because of these two gas loss in weight. Leftover is called residue. This leftover is called residue. Suppose मैंने ऐसा क्वेश्चन लिखा, when sodium bicarbonate is strongly heated, अच्छा 0.62 grams of weight found to be lost. Then how much weight of sodium bicarbonate should be heated? See the question है, like different kind of question है बनता है. When sodium bicarbonate is strongly heated, then loss in weight is found to be 0.62 grams. Calculate how much amount of sodium bicarbonate should be heated. देखो क्वेश्चन कैसा बनता है, रेशिड्यू क्या है, लॉस इन वेट का है. स्ट्रांगली हीटेड मींस अबव 100 डिग्रीज. अबव 100 में वाटर वेपर होता है, दैट इज आल्सो लॉस इन वेट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन इक्वेशन, देखो 2NaHCO3 gives rise to Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Am I right? अच्छा, कंपेयर किया हमने इस क्वेश्चन में कंपेयर किया सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट एंड लॉस इन वेट टुगेदर. अच्छा, सपोज आई कैन टेक 2 into 84 grams because sodium bicarbonate 84 grams. कैलकुलेट करो, सोडियम 23 84 grams. 2 into 84 grams are heated. Loss in weight is found to be वाटर के लिए 18 है, CO2 के लिए 44 है, 62 है. 1 mole of water, 1 mole of CO2, मतलब total together is 62 grams है. अच्छा, this is according to our assumption, but problem में दिया 0.62 grams are found to be lost. अच्छा, when they given 0.62 grams is loss है. अच्छा, when we get 0.62 grams of loss, how much amount of sodium bicarbonate should be heated? This much amount is heated, 62 grams है, but in order to get 0.62 grams of loss in weight है, so then what is the amount of sodium bicarbonate should be heated only? बताओ कितना? 0.62 by 62 into 2 into 84. 1.66 राइट। मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया लॉस इन वेट, लेफ्ट ओवर अमाउंट भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आप। लेफ्ट ओवर अमाउंट मींस थोड़ी कम है, 106 ग्राम्स है। अच्छा 53 grams of left over है, 0.53 grams left over है, 10.6 grams of left over है, then how much weight of sodium bicarbonate? अच्छा, can you try for this equation 3 to 4 question है, can you frame it? Do it one question, then that you can try. Do one thing now, you can open your textbook है, whatever the NCERT में equations are given है, based on the equation you have to frame the questions. Previous last question है, today definitely they will provide material for you. Take the previous house questions है, which equation में question दिया, can you frame the question for your own? Then खत्म होता है, मोल concept is खत्म होता है। अच्छा limiting, don't try for limiting reagent, but next class में I will discuss limiting reagent. Limiting reagent में दोनों में compare करना, यार एक ही compare करना, एक reactant एक product है, one reactant one product only. But limiting reagent में दो reactant है, one product comparison है. After discussing only you try for that. If you want to frame the question ना, first calculate करो, comparing weights or volumes. Multiples is better है. Any calculation you have to do it, but complication होता है calculations. In examiner also they will give the simple calculations. जब multiple 0.31 भी लिख सकता है, 3.1 भी लिख सकता है, 6.2 भी लिख सकता है. Multiples of 62, 31, 3.1, 0.31, 62, 6.2, 620. Simple calculation, because in NEET examination also they will ask simple calculations. Right? अच्छा, see the equation है, Na2CO3 plus H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O, right? This is balanced equation or not balanced equation? अच्छा देखो, right, is a balanced equation. Now can you frame the question based on this equation? Can you frame the question based on this equation? Compare sodium carbonate and CO2. Can you frame the question regarding to sodium carbonate and CO2 का question? In order to get anyone weight, either weight or volume, whatever may be. So in order to get 5.6 liters, 6 liters of CO2 at STP, how much amount of Na2CO3 should be heated? Try करो। अच्छा, ये बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन ऑलरेडी बना है, राइट? Na2CO3, H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2, राइट? तो देखो यार, 1 मोल है ये वाला, CO2 also 1 मोल है, 1 मोल है ये वाला, 1 मोल है। अच्छा, 1 मोल का वेट कितना है? What is the weight of 1 mole of this one? 106 grams. 106 grams. अच्छा, यहाँ मोल को वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करना, 1 मोल में 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. But we want only 5.6 liters as STP, not 22.4 liters. अच्छा, only 5.6 liters at STP. Then what will be the weight of the sodium carbonate? Should be reacted excess of sulfuric acid. Which is equal to 5.6 by 22.4 into 106. कितना होगा? ये 106 डिवाइड बाय 4 होगा। 20. O2's 8.
26.5.
26.5. 26. Achha, whenever equation is given, for us very easy. Means whenever questions are asked, first step is write the chemical equation. Achha. Can you frame the question recording this equation? Here you remember one particular point over here. What is the point you remember? Generally, inactive metal oxides are unstable on heat. For example, मैंने lithium carbonate लिया. Lithium carbonate on heating use lithium oxide and CO2 only, but not O2. Like मैंने सोडियम कार्बोनेट लिया, no reaction, unstable on heating. Stable on heating. अच्छा कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट लिया, CaO plus CO. बट यहां देख लीजिए सिल्वर आया, रेसिड्यू वाला रेसिड्यू is nothing but due to loss in weight. Nothing but loss in weight. ये वाला रेसिड्यू है, loss in weight है. Right, not only silver oxide है, हमारे सिलेबस में कंप्लीट 11th and 12th में heavy metal oxide है, inactive metal oxide sir, unstable on heating. For example, mercury oxide से mercury बनता है, but lithium oxide से lithium नहीं बनता है. One of the concept of metallurgy also used. Zinc oxide से zinc बनता है by using reducing agent coke है. But ordinary condition में zinc oxide should not be reduced into zinc. But reduce करने के लिए, इसका reduce करने के लिए more oxygen, sorry, reducing agent is required. But inactive metal oxides are easily decomposed. Your point, you need to remember this equation only. Once you know the equation, they will frame the question only. Most of the students are writing this equation. Most of the students are mistake होता है. They will write the equation just like calcium carbonate. अच्छा, if you write like this, gone. Your question is gone. Residue is Ag but not Ag2O. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछता है, देखो मैंने एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा है आपके. क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछता है, if 2.76 grams of silver carbonate on strong heating the amount of residue left over, the amount of residue left over is the amount of residue left over is. Question is, suppose instead of this equation you write above equation gone, because देखो in the above equation this is a residue this is loss in weight but actual equation में residue कौन है? Silver. We have to find the weight of silver, but not weight of silver oxide. For confusion purpose, they are not asking you like is how much leftover Ag, how much leftover Ag2. They will ask you question how much residue. Residue is leftover, gas are one. Loss and weight due to gases only. Residue means leftover solid. Take a question. Once again, if 2.76 grams of silver carbonate on strong heating, the amount of residue left over is, question is, Ag2CO3, once again you tell 2 Ag, this is residue, CO2 plus O2. These are the gases, these are not residues, these are loss in weight. Now compare karo. 1 mole of Ag2CO3 on strong heating, 2 mole of Ag. 1 mole of Ag2CO3 on strong heating, 2 moles of Ag. Acha, 1 mole of Ag2O3, what is the weight? 276. 276. देखो 276 grams of Ag2CO3 on strong heating gives 2 into 108, and then 2 into 108 grams. Is silver atomic weight is 108. 2 into 108 grams. But how much of silver carbonate is heated? Only 2.76. Only 2.76 grams of silver carbonate is heated. Then what will be the residue left over? 2.76 upon 276 into 2 into 108. कितना होगा? अच्छा ये कितना है? 1 times 100 times
2.16.
अच्छा 216 by 100 2.16. Shall I go next? This is balanced chemical equation. Can you frame the question regarding to calcium carbonate and CO2? Suppose if 200 kg of 90% limestone heated strongly with excess of HCl. Matlab, don't need to compare with excess. Whenever excess are given, that is not limited. That is not limiting reagent. Excess of HCl, then volume of CO2 produced in STP is. Chalo, try karo jaldi. 200 kilograms of 90% of the limestone is heated strongly with excess of HCl, then volume of CO2 produced STP is. First equation karo, equation लिखो, try करो. Calcium carbonate plus 2 HCl gives rise to calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO. अच्छा, comparison for whom? Calcium carbonate and CO. Compare. अच्छा 1 मोल 1 मोल. अच्छा 1 मोल में कितना वेट है? 100 ग्राम. अच्छा 1 मोल में वॉल्यूम कितना है? 22.4 लीटर्स. ये पक्का है. But really what happened in the problem? 200 kg में only 90% dissociated. Only 90% dissociated. अच्छा 200 में 90 कितना है? 180 किलोग्राम. Around into grams में 180 into 10⁻³ grams. because यहाँ 100 grams है. Here भी ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो. So out of 200 kg, how much heated है? 180 kilograms. मतलब in order to heat only 180 into 10⁻³ grams. So what is the volume of CO2 released? चलो कितना? 180 into 10⁻³ divided by 100 into 22.4. So 18 into 22.4 10 square. Can you tell the value?
303.2 into 10⁻².
303.
3.2 into 10⁻².
This many liters. मतलब 30320. 401.
403.2.
अच्छी बात है. 40320 liters. अच्छा combustion reaction लिखो. CxHy x plus y by 4 O2 XCO2 y by 2 H2. This is general combustion reaction. Combustion reactions of hydrocarbon. Combustion reactions of hydrocarbon. Mostly these equations are used in stoichiometry, मतलब mole concept problems. Combustion reactions. CxHy plus x plus y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus y by 2 H2. चलो I will give some example है. यानी मीथेन को combustion कर रहा है. अच्छा O2 CO2 plus H2O. Can you tell the coefficients of this reactants and products? देखो x is equal to 1 here, y is equal to 4. Am I right? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. X plus y by 4. कितना? X plus y by 4. 1 plus 4 by 4. कितना? 1 plus 1 by 4. अच्छा 1 plus 4 by 4. कितना? 1 plus 1. 2. अच्छा how many CO2? 1 CO2. How many H2? अच्छा this is the balance equation. Suppose मैंने C2 6 दिया. What is the value of what is the coefficient of O2? 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 कितना? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 O2 gives rise to 2 CO2 plus 3 H2. Right? चलो. अच्छा n ब्यूटेन कर रहा है मैंने. ब्यूटेन. C4H10. Can you tell? C4H10. X is equal to 4.
9.
Y is equal to 10. 4 plus 10 by 4. 4 plus 10 by 4. 5 by 2. 13 by 2. 13 by 2 O2. 4 CO2. 5H. Acha, anything. C6 S6 benzene. 15 by 2. O2. 6 CO2. 3H. You need to remember this equation. Note करो examples. One or two examples. because thermodynamics में भी heat of combustion reactions में एक formula आएंगे. Based on this, in NCERT textbook में problem 1.3, problem 1.4. Based on this combustion reaction, problem 1.3, 1.4. अच्छा NCERT textbook में पेज नंबर है. अच्छा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल में प्रॉब्लम 1.3 1.4 बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मूला सॉल्व. पेज नंबर 22. अच्छा एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज नंबर 22. पेज नंबर 22 एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में. अच्छा एक प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है आउट ऑफ 1.3 1.4. कैन यू टेल वन प्रॉब्लम? One second. Shall I erase? Erase. Any one problem? Can you tell? बताओ. Problem.
How many moles are?
How many? Once again. How many moles of methane are required to produce
22 grams of CO2.
to produce
22 grams
22 grams of CO2
after combustion.
CO2
After combustion.
after combustion. नोट करो. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा once you write the equation is a fingertips on. देखो एक मोल के लिए CH4 है. दिस 1 मोल है. अच्छा 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन है. 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन है. 1 मोल ऑफ CO2. 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन है. 1 मोल ऑफ CO2 है. अच्छा 1 मोल ऑफ CO2 weighs because they are asked in weights and CO2 weighs में 1 mole of CO2 weighs 44 grams. One mole of methane है 44 grams of CO2. अच्छा पूछा they asked है 22 grams of CO2 है. How many moles of CO2? Half mole. Very simple. Once we know how to write the chemical equation, everything is over, particularly stoichiometry. Chalo, shall we frame one more question regarding to this combustion reaction? But of course, like question they may ask, which are given NCERT, like question they may ask. When acetylene undergoes combustion, अच्छा 11,200 ml of CO2 is liberated at STP. Calculate volume of ethylene in liters. So volume of ethylene in liters. Both volumes problem because both are gases only. Na? Ethylene also gas, CO2 also gas. Volume problem. अच्छा एक को दिया ml में, दूसरा दे आस्किंग liters में. इक्वेशन अच्छा अभी बताया ना कंबशन इक्वेशन का. अच्छा C2H2 इज इसलिए ना राइपनिंग ऑफ उसमें यूज करता है C2H2 हाँ O2 कोएफिशिएंट बताओ ना CO2 plus H2 कोएफिशिएंट बताओ ना यार 2CO2 है H2 होना है. अच्छा 2 plus 2 by 4 3 by 2 right 3 by 2. Now compare किसका करना एथिलीन का and CO2 like 1 mole of ethylene 2 moles of CO2 right. अच्छा हमको ये लीटर्स में चाहिए 1 मोल ऑफ एनी गैस आपको कैसे वॉल्यूम 22.4 liters of ethylene can produce 2 moles of CO2. अच्छा 1 mole of अच्छा आज कर रहे हैं 11,200 ml है हाँ 2 moles of CO2 मतलब 2 into 22.4. अच्छा आई एम राइटिंग 2 into 22,400 ml ml में दिया ना इसलिए 20.4 लीटर्स है ml में cc में कन्वर्ट करो 22,400 cc. चलो यहाँ दिया कितना 11,200 ml दिया. सो कैलकुलेट करो लीटर्स में कितना. अच्छा वेरी सिंपल है 11,200 divided by 2 into 22,400 into 22.4. अच्छा 1 sir 2 sir 20.4 by 4 5.6 liters. Majorly much is not given NCERT, particularly for mole perceptive. Very simple questions are asked in NCERT. Very simple questions. Once you know balance the chemical equation, khatam hota hai. अच्छा वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है देखो लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन है 26.8 grams of hydrated sodium sulfate loss in weight is found to be 12.6 grams. What is the value of X? Then what is the value of X? Question लिखो. If 28.6 grams of sodium means on heating loss in weight is found to be 12.6 grams. On heating loss in weight is found to be 12.6 grams. So what is the value of X? 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 One second, listen. Na2SO4 dot XH2O. Actually, last in weight is nothing but water molecule. Na? These are called efflorescent substance. When substance exposed to air, which can largest water molecule is called efflorescent substance. Like Na2SO4 dot XH2O, Na2CO3 dot XH2O. These are efflorescent substances. Like BaCl2 XH2O. This kind of questions. अच्छा देखो Na2SO4 plus XH2. This is the equation. Loss in weight because of water molecule. Am I right? Very simple equation. Very simple equation. ये वाला कितना दिया अमाउंट कितना लिया उन्होंने 26.8 अच्छा ये कितना बाहर गया how much went outside 12.6 मतलब रेशिड्यू लेफ्ट ओवर कितना है अच्छा टेकन 26.8 गया 12.6 14.2 अच्छा नाउ खत्म हमारा प्रॉब्लम खत्म होने वाला देखो खत्म होने वाला अच्छा 1 मोल में वेट कितना है ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 1 मोल let's suppose if this is how many moles we don't know this is 14.2 divided by 142 understand this is we know how to find out number of moles hai number of moles है weight by gram molecule अच्छा weight कितना you found gram molecule weight of Na2SO4 है 142 अच्छा कितना moles है 0.1 so मतलब 0.1 मोल में the weight is 26.8 अच्छा 1 मोल में वेट आया ना वो वेट इज इक्वल टू ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट आता था 1 मोल में वेट ऑलवेज इज इक्वल टू ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अच्छा 0.1 मोल में 26.8 ग्राम्स है 1 मोल में कैलकुलेट करोगे देन ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया हमेशा ऑलवेज 1 मोल में we already मोल कन्वर्टर में लिखा 1 मोल में वेट इज इक्वल टू ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन 60 1 मोल ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट 111 1 मोल ऑफ मैग्नीशियम 95 so 0.1 मोल में 26.8 है 1 मोल में कितना है कैलकुलेट करना कैलकुलेट करो 1 मोल में कितना है 1 by 0.1 into 26.8 कितना है 68 grams so gram molecular weight आ गया this is nothing but gram molecular weight आ गया अच्छा एक्चुअली ग्राम मोलेक्युलर वेट कैसे कितना है व्हाट इज द ग्राम मोलेक्युलर वेट ऑफ दिस वन 142 कितना बन प्लस 18x है ना राइट व्हाट का 18 है x we don't know x 18 into x plus 142 is equal to ग्राम मोलेक्युलर वेट बट हमको प्रॉब्लम में कितना है which is equal to 268 है अच्छा can you calculate x over here so 18x is equal to 268 minus 142 18x is equal to 126 x is equal to 126 by 18 7 so Na2SO4 dot 7H2 is correct form now अच्छा देखो once again लिखन रीजन अच्छा ये प्रॉब्लम दिया आपको 26.8 grams दिया प्रॉब्लम में and the loss in weight also दिया by using two data we find what is the residue left over 4.2 leftover residue now मैंने कंपेयर किया this is 0.1 ना 4.2 में 0.1 मोल है 0.1 मोल में वेट इतना है Suppose we calculate 1 mole में weight है, that weight is obviously gram molecular weight होंगे. So 0.1 mole में इतना weight है, 1 mole में calculate किया हमने. We got the 268. But theoretically that is value कितना है? 142 plus 18x is equal to 268 होना चाहिए. Then x को calculate किया, simple calculation. There is no high-end mathematics. 1 mole ये concept है, 1 mole में weight is equal to gram molecule. I calculate molar ratio ferrous and ferric in ferrous sulfate and ferric sulfate. Ferrous sulfate and ferric sulfate. If in both cases sulfate ions are equal. मतलब in both cases number of moles of sulfate ions are equal. In both cases number of moles of sulfate ions are equal. Number of moles of sulfate ions are equal. Hello. Ferrous sulfate, Schallerite, Fe plus 2 and SO4. These are ionic compound, Schallerite like this. So do you tell ferrous sulfate ion, what is the mole ratio? 1:1:1. A 1 mole है, 1 mole है, 1:1:1. अच्छा देखो, for example, मैंने कैल्शियम क्लोराइड लिखा, कैल्शियम आयन एंड क्लोराइड आयन है. ये 1:1 नहीं, ये 1:1:2 ratio. Because 2 coefficient 2 is there, but here ratio 1:1:1. Let's consider number of moles of ferrous sulfate is A mole. And ferrous also, sulfate also A mole. अच्छा ferric sulfate है. अच्छा 2Fe plus 3 SO4 2 minus ferric. ये ferrous है, ferric sulfate. Now let's consider number of moles of ferric sulfate is B. And what about ferric? 2B. 3B. Given A is equal to 3B, because sulfate ions are equal is given, na? Sulfate ions are equal are given, na? That means A is equal to 3B is given. Given A is equal to 3B is given. But what they're asking, molar means mole. Molar ratio means mole ratio. Molar ratio of ferrous to ferric they ask, am I right? अच्छा ferrous कितना है? ये. Ferric कितना है? 2B. But A is equal to 3B. According to this, A is equal to 3B. A is equal to 3B. 3B by 2B. What is the answer? Answer is 3:2. What is the molar ratio? 3:2. Very simple formula. Simple है. मैंने ferrous sulfate लिया. Imagine किया जैसे A मोल है. OB A, OB A. Ferric के लिए B लिया. फिर 2B 3B हो गया. बट गिवन कंडीशन हमने यूज किया, सल्फेट आयंस आर इक्वल, मतलब फर्स्ट केस में ये, सेकंड केस में 3 भी है, दैट मींस A is equal to 3 भी है, बट दे आस्क द फाइनली मोलर रेशियो ऑफ फेरस टू फेरिक है, A/2 भी है, सो आंसर इज फाइनली 3:2. अच्छा, APMT का क्वेश्चन है, APMT का क्वेश्चन है, 2015 का क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा, हम आपका बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 है. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन लिखो, 20 grams ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट decomposes on heating to give CO2 and 8 grams of magnesium oxide. What will be the percentage purity of magnesium carbonate in this sample? Magnesium carbonate in this sample. Question is 20 grams of magnesium carbonate on heating to give CO2 and 8 grams of MgO. What will be the percentage purity of magnesium carbonate in the sample? अच्छा, इक्वेशन बताओ बाद है. Magnesium carbonate on dissociation gives magnesium oxide and CO2. Am I right? अच्छा, comparison for whom? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड का, अच्छा मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट का, बट CO2 वैल्यू not given ना here. They are not mentioned this much volume, this much amount of CO2, they were not given. मतलब you compare magnesium carbonate, magnesium oxide का comparison. चलो, 1 mole of magnesium carbonate weighs how much? 84. मतलब वो ये 1 mole है, ये भी 1 mole है. अच्छा, 1 mole of magnesium carbonate weighs 84 grams है. अच्छा, ये वाला मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड है 40 grams है. But listen, in the problem finally how much of magnesium oxide is obtained? 8 grams. In order to get only 8 grams, how much amount of magnesium carbonate should be heated? That is our question. अच्छा देखो, 8/40 into 84. अच्छा, 1/5 into 84. 84/5. 16.8. 16/5 is 80. 16.8 grams. अच्छा, if 16.8 grams are heated, that is more than enough in order to get 8 grams. But taken how much है? Used how much है? अच्छा, previous problem we discussed ना, out of 200 kg 90% only resisted. Previous problem में percentage दिया, now this time you have to calculate the percentage only. Now you have to calculate the percentage. Reverse problem this is. मतलब we got only 8 grams है, मतलब how many grams should be heated? 16.8 grams should be heated. But taken how much? 20 grams. But initial amount कितना? Now percentage purity. Percentage purity चाहिए. Percentage purity चाहिए. Taken 20. Taken 20. But used कितना? Into 100 we get percentage only ना. Into 100 we get percentage only ना. अच्छा देखो, 1680 divided by 20 है हमारे, कितना हुआ? 84%. खत्म है। Your answer is 84%. अच्छा देखो प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम हम चेंज कर रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम, एक बार देख लीजिए आपको आइडिया आता है। देखो मैंने क्वेश्चन ऐसा चेंज किया, ऐसा चेंज किया, यहाँ 20 grams of 84% of magnesium carbonate on strong heating gives CO2, and this amount we need to find out now, and MgO. So what is the weight of MgO obtained? Question change. What is the weight of MgO obtained? There is a question on, right? Reverse, I am going for reverse. I am telling you what is the difference between the previous question, this question. The question like, now MgCO3, MgO plus CO. The basic I am writing 84 grams है, ये वाला कितना है? 40 grams. अच्छा now question is 20 grams of 84%. मतलब how much is heated? 20 into 84 by 100. कितना होगा? 16.8 grams only heated. 16.8 grams are heated. What is the amount? अच्छा ये वाला आएंगे 8 grams आएंगे, 8 grams आएंगे. So that is so 16.8 by 84 into 40, which is equal to 8 grams. Now see, compare. Previous this model we did 20 grams of 84%, 100 grams of 50%, 200 kg of 90%, like 10 grams of 9%. This model did. This year में question reverse आंसर है. क्या reverse है? Percentage calculate करना है. अच्छा, how much obtain 8 grams? In order to obtain 8 grams, how much required this? How much given? Into 100 we get percent. I think clear? अच्छा, we know the concept ना. Anyway, there, anyhow they are giving ना, you can do it. अच्छा, NCERT. Exercise 1.36. Exercise 1.36. Last question. Exercise में last question. अच्छा 4HCl. plus MnO2 MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2. This equation is given. How many grams of HCl react with 5 grams of magnesium dioxide? Question is given. How many grams of HCl should react with 5 grams of magnesium dioxide. This is the question asked. So manganese is 55. Manganese is 55 atomic weight. Try karo. This is NCERT based question. This is NCERT question. अच्छा कंपैरिजन किसका HCl का MnO2 का. अच्छा 1 mole of MnO2 4 moles of HCl. That's it, खत्म है, प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गया. 1 mole of MnO2 4 moles of HCl है. 1 mole of MnO2 weighs how much है? 55 plus 32 87 है. So 87 grams of MnO2, 4 into 36.5 grams है. Like 1 mole of HCl 36.5. Hydrogen 1 plus chlorine 35.5. But question is asking 5 grams. अच्छा आप देख लीजिए एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन है 1.36 का आंसर देख लीजिए आंसर पॉइंट भी देखिए ना आंसर एनसीईआरटी में एक्सरसाइज 1.36 8 point answer is 8.4 8.4 grams है ना. अच्छा एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज 1.33 अच्छा कैलकुलेट number of atoms. First one, can you tell what is given? 52 moles of argon. अच्छा देखो 52 moles of argon, 52 moles of xenon water. 1 mole of any atom, Avogadro number. So 52 moles में 52 into Avogadro number. Very simple है. एक आंसर ये वाला क्या है 1 मोल में Avogadro नंबर है Avogadro नंबर ऑफ एटम्स है. अच्छा 52 मोल में कितना होता है 52 इंटू Avogadro नंबर है ये वाला 52 इंटू Avogadro नंबर. सेकंड वन 52 U of helium. अच्छा so 52 units are not मतलब 52 moles है. For example, one helium atom four units है मैं राइट. अच्छा 52 units का मतलब how many helium atoms are present? 52 by 4 13. Each helium atom is 4 units. अच्छा कितना यूनिट है हमारे पास मतलब how many helium atoms are there? 13 units. So number of helium atoms is equal to 52 upon 4, which is equal to 13. 52 units, one helium atom is there. Suppose 4 units are there. So total 52 units are there. How many helium atoms are? 13. Right? चलो next. C बताओ. 52 grams of. अच्छा देखो 52 grams में नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट करो. वेट बाय ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट बाय एटॉमिक वेट तभी 13 मोल्स हो गए. 13 मोल हो गए. 1 मोल में Avogadro नंबर ऑफ एटम्स है. 13 मोल में 13 into Avogadro नंबर. आंसर इज 13 into Avogadro नंबर. अच्छा 1 मोल में Avogadro नंबर ऑफ एटम्स है. 13 मोल में 13 into Avogadro number of atoms. अच्छा these are not problem, simple concepts है, tricky concepts only. This kind of questions only they may ask. What which are given NCERT question में easy था but थोड़ा tricky था, that's it. अच्छा आप तो हमारे पास है रेफरेंस टेक्स्ट बुक्स हैं उसमें ज्यादा लेंदी क्वेश्चंस है, मोस्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैलकुलेशंस है. बट एनसीईआरटी में क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं तो था. Simple था but tricky था, that's it. Okay. Means whenever we are studying any concept, we should clear all NCERT exercise questions so that the confidence increases. बढ़ेगा. Previous papers आप एक बार देख लीजिए, simple questions only asking. अच्छा, 1 unit convert ग्राम में convert करना कहता है कैसा होता है? 1 AMU is equal to 1.60 10 power minus 24 grams. ये ग्राम में दिया, ये यूनिट में दिया. यूनिफाइड मास है. Number of moles is equal to weight by gram atomic weight, not weight by atomic weight.